who is unavoidably absent, but being represented by the National Commissioner Supervising Ondo State Election, Professor Kunle Ajayi. Let me use you as a point of contact to acknowledge all the national commissioners that are here seated. Well, for gender sensitivity, I will use the National Commissioner, Mrs. Agbamuche, as a point of contact to all the female national commissioners. Let me also acknowledge the Secretary of the Commission and the REC, Ondo State, Resident Electoral Commissioner of Ondo State, Vice Toyin Babalola. The chairman of our party, the largest party in Africa, All Progressive Congress, APC, His Excellency Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje. Let me also acknowledge the governor of Ogun State, Prince Dakwa Abiodun, who is here to solidarize with us. Let me acknowledge my deputy governor, the deputy governor of Ondo State, Dr. Owolabi Olaide Adelami, MNR. Let me also acknowledge all members of my state executive council that are here, in your large number, the commissioners and special advisor. Let me use the Honorable Commissioner for Finance as a point of contact to all of you, Mrs. Omomi Isaac. The member, Federal House of Representatives that are here, in your large number. Let me also use Honorable Timei Adelegwe, the leader of Katos, Prince Adeshida, as a point of contact to all of you. The member on those State House of Assembly, all of you that are here in large number, using the majority leader as a point of contact to all of you, Honorable Wale Ogunmola Sui. All our party leaders, both at the national and at the state level that are here in your large number. Let me use a three-time Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, immediate past Deputy National Leader, Senator Ajayi Borough, as a point of contact to all our leaders. Let me also acknowledge everyone that is here, friends and well-wishers, both here in Abuja and all the way from Ondo State. All the chairman of local governments that are here and members of your committee, I recognize every one of you. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, today marked the conclusion of a process, electoral process that started some months back. Overwhelming joy and gratitude to the good people of Ondo State who came out en masse on the 16th of November 2024 to cast their votes for our party, APC, and by extension for myself and my deputy governor at that governorship election. We cannot but also thank our party, the leader of our party, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, for the leadership he has provided for our nation and our party. He was very, very unbiased in his approach. He did not favor one person over the other, irrespective of your political party. He provided a level playing ground for every one of us during that contest. I also like to thank the national chairman of our party, who is also here with me today to identify with this success story, His Excellency Abdullah Umar Ganduje for the leadership he has also provided for our party since he came on board as the national chairman. I also like to commend Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, for conducting a fair, transparent, credible, and conclusive election that returned myself and my deputy as the winner of that election. We want to commend you for your efforts. I also like to thank the security agencies. I commend their effort for their professionalism all through the election. They provided security for both lives and properties and materials, and the election has been adjudged as one of the most peaceful elections in Nigeria. And once again, to the good people of Ondo State, the mandates you have just renewed via your huge votes across the 18 local government in Ondo State, where we won convincingly. It has placed a burden on me to be able to serve you better than I have in the last 10 months. So I want to thank every one of you that are here to witness this occasion, and I thank you, I thank you, and I thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have that singular honor of those states, His Excellency.
Don't worry.